This is the famous quote, "The sight of tasty food makes a hungry man's mouth water." And this is actually a very old quote. It's from a book called The Psychology of Hunger and Thirst by Ivan Pavlov. Now, Pavlov is famous for his work on classical conditioning, which is basically when you associate one stimulus with another. Like, for example, when you ring a bell before you feed a dog, the dog will eventually associate the bell with food and start salivating just from hearing the bell. He says that the brain is kind of like a hungry man's mouth. It starts watering the second it sees food. But in this book, Pavlov talks about something else, how our brains are wired to crave food when we see it. And then he goes on to explain that the more hungry a person is, the more intense the brain's craving will be. And the best way to satisfy that craving is to eat the food that the brain is focused on. So next time you see some delicious food, take a moment to appreciate the amazing psychology that's happening in your brain.